Ever wished you could have a spa day at home? Well, today is your lucky day. We're diving into the realm of self-care, an essential part of our everyday lives, often overlooked. Relaxation isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Now imagine creating a soothing spa experience right in the comfort of your own home. It's not just possible, it's also easy and affordable. Believe it or not, you can rejuvenate without breaking the bank. Stay tuned to learn how to create your own at-home spa experience. First things first, let's set the stage for a relaxing spa experience. It all begins with cleaning up your space. A clutter-free environment can do wonders for your peace of mind. So take a moment to tidy up and create a serene sanctuary where relaxation can truly blossom. Next, consider setting up candles. Not only do they provide a gentle, soothing light, but scented candles can also create a sense of calm and tranquility. Choose fragrances that resonate with you. Lavender, vanilla, or jasmine perhaps. Now let's talk about aromatherapy. Essential oils can enhance your spa experience by triggering positive emotional responses. A diffuser or a few drops in the bath can provide a sensory delight. And lastly, calming music. The soft melodies can guide your mind away from everyday stresses, enhancing your self-care ritual. With the stage set, you're ready to move on to the actual spa treatments. Now it's time to dive into the world of DIY spa treatments. Let's start with crafting a nourishing facial mask. Honey, known for its natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties, makes an excellent base. To this, add a squeeze of lemon, a natural astringent, and a dash of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Mix it all together, apply to your face, and let it work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Next up, let's concoct a body scrub that will leave your skin feeling silky smooth. You'll need brown sugar, a natural exfoliator, and coconut oil, a superb moisturizer. Combine 2 parts sugar to 1 part oil, and voila! You have a body scrub that rivals any high-end spa product. Use this in the shower for an invigorating skin exfoliation. Lastly, we can't forget about our feet. They carry us around all day and deserve some self-care too. For a soothing foot soak, fill a basin with warm water, a generous sprinkle of Epsom salts, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender is a great choice for its calming properties. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes, then pat dry and apply a thick moisturizer. You'll be amazed at the difference. The beauty of these DIY spa treatments is that they are not only cost-effective, but also allow for customization. You can cater to your skin's specific needs by adding or subtracting ingredients. For instance, if you have oily skin, you might add some mashed strawberries to your facial mask for their natural oil-absorbing qualities. If your skin is dry, add a spoonful of olive oil to your body scrub for extra hydration. Remember, self-care isn't just about pampering yourself, but also about taking care of your health. These treatments are a way to do both, helping you relax and rejuvenate while nourishing your skin. With these treatments, you're well on your way to a rejuvenating spa experience. Creating an at-home spa experience is not only about physical relaxation, but also about mental rejuvenation. It's about creating a sanctuary, a retreat, where you can shut out the stress and noise of the outside world. Now, after you've pampered your body with these wonderful DIY spa treatments, it's time to wind down. Just like how a good book is to a cozy night in, a cup of herbal tea can be the perfect companion to your at-home spa experience. The warmth and aroma of the tea can help you relax even further, allowing your mind to unwind as your body has. Or, if tea isn't your thing, maybe a good book or some soothing music can help you transition back from your mini retreat. The key here is to keep the relaxation going, to extend that feeling of tranquility. Making this at-home spa experience a regular part of your self-care routine can do wonders for your overall well-being. It's not about indulgence, it's about taking care of yourself. It's about taking time to recharge, to rejuvenate, and to remind yourself that you deserve to be cared for too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more self-care inspirations, and check out the links in the description for detailed guides and product recommendations. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So go ahead and indulge in a relaxing spa day at home.